This is C major scale in the right hand. My thumb is on middle C and all of my 5 fingers are lined up. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 and then swing my thumb under to the next note, which is an F, then line up all the fingers and continue on up until you get to the next C. 1, 2, 3, swing your thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now coming down, you come all the way down, 4, 3, 2, 1. You balance on your thumb, third finger over onto E, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to do that one more time. I'm going to say the finger numbers, but I'm not going to explain this time. 1, 2, 3, swing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3 over, 2, 1. This is it a little faster without me speaking.